Alright guys, today we're checking out something super cool for your PC build, an affordable ARGB controller that can take your setup to the next level. Let's unbox it, set it up and see if it's actually worth it. Alright, inside the box we've got the ARGB controller itself, super compact, lightweight, easy to tuck away in a Builder SATA power connector because yup, this thing doesn't need a motherboard to run. A 3-pin ARGB output so you can hook up fans, LED strips or whatever ARGB accessories you've got, a remote control because software who needs it, just click and switch modes on the fly, runs on SATA power. So even if your motherboard doesn't have an ARGB header, you can still rock a killer light show. So how does it actually perform? Well, I gotta say, not bad. The colors are bright, transitions are smooth, and the remote is super responsive. You get a bunch of different effects from solid colors to full on rainbow madness. People love it because it's cheap, easy to install, and perfect for budget build. That's my take on the Verilux ARGB controller.